Okay, let's look at some of this balancing here. Whenever you're balancing stuff from the left to the right of the equation. So you're balancing each of these elements in the reactant with what's on the product side. So aluminum in the reactant side, this right here are the reactants and these are the products. On the reactant side, you have one aluminum, you have two here on this side. So put a 2 here to balance the reactant aluminum. Sulfur is 3 in the product and we have 1 here in the reactant. We're going to put a 3 here to balance the sulfur. This makes the copper 6. How is that? 3 times 2 is 6 and you're going to put 6 here. Remember, the subscripts gets multiplied with the coefficient. And let's just go ahead and put a 1 here. So this is a balanced equation. The type of equation it is reaction it is. It's a single replacement. How do I know that? We have aluminum that's replacing copper and bonding with sulfur, and so it's a single replacement. And easier way to spot is if you have 3 elements involved in a reactions, like you have aluminum, copper, sulfur, it's a single replacement.